You're already 10, 13 years old. I think you can do that.
I'm gonna really get it.
You're still a baby.
Can I tell my
Can you
viewers?
please spin it
I
now?
wanna tell my viewers something.
What is it?
I'm gonna get it.
Really?
And all of you will see.
What is it?
Nothing.
Okay, what are you going to get? Yeah, there. Thanks, Louise, for cooking already.
I don't know how to cook.
Thank you. He knows how to cook already. Good job.
Why is the yakiniku so? The
Ang
yakiniku.
sarap nito. This is Mrs.
Like, look at this one. Look at the yakiniku. It's too thin.
That's how it is, pero masarap naman siya. So it's like a bite-sized thing, you know, like they have to make it really thin and small so that you can eat it easily. Actually, this is too much for like the price of lunch already.
Mine.
Okay, we have to go now. Bye.